new video on my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to block ads on YouTube. So for example, I want to watch this game. As you can see here, I have an ad which I can skip but still have an ad, and then after I watch this ad I can complete watching, and a lot of the times there will be an ad in the middle also here. So what we're going to do is we're gonna block this ad, and we're going to do that by using ad card. That's this one. So what you need to do is you click on the ad card. So you go to your Chrome web store first of all, and then click on it, and then you're gonna search for ad card, click on it, ad blocker, and then you can see this is the one we need. So maybe you need to type in ad card or maybe ad card ad blocker. Click on it, and now you just click on the blue button which says add to Chrome, and then you click on add extension, and now as you can see the extension is downloaded. So here we are. So, and whenever I am, as you can see, when I go again and I will refresh it again, there are no ads over here. Let's try it somewhere else. You can see also no ads showing here, and I will still go directly to the movies. Same goes for this one. The ads are gone. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.